Welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2015 Kia Sportage Access Edition 1.7 CRDi in metallic black. It has covered 71,000 miles since new and comes with a half leather interior with both heated front and rear seats, rear parking sensors, a rear reversing camera, satellite navigation, cruise control and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.